What is going on, everybody? Back at it again with the new video. So today is May 10th of 2021. Current time is 9:03 a.m. and so we're looking at PTIX, and so it did a heavy spike early in the morning, about opening up around 252. The lowest it went was 247, and so let's measure it from when it got halted right here. The high it touched was 364, so that's about 47% of upside. But as you guys could see, it started to topped out right here at like 297, and then right here low of 267, and then breaking that little resistance point right here, topping out right here at $3, and then 302, and then eventually just doing a heavy spike from the threes to 350, and then the high of 364, and then got halted at 364, and then right at the open, after this, it opened up at 382, and then dropping down low to 368, and then going back down low to 365, and then pushing back up to 4, and then right here it was like in between these two candlesticks is where it started to fight under $4, so around 4 to like 385 or so. And so I placed the order at 391 right here, and then immediately goes up. And so again, my risk reward is usually losing like around like $11.25, and then my reward is to like get out at like 6.8%. And then right when I'm trying to calculate the math real quick, because this is like going really quick, and so I'm trying to get the math going on, and it just blows it out. And so I'm like, okay, I'm pretty in the safe zone, but I just got to be worried about how I'm going to get out to sell for a profit. And so breaks a high of 468, and then even more further, and it tops out at 489. And so what I do is I see it around like 475, and then I immediately sell at that price point. I'm like, I'm already heavy up, and I'm already about 21% of upside, and that's about 84 cents of upside. And so I sell right there, and it was a good profit of $34.59. A little small profit, but a little good one. Pretty good about that one. And then eventually tops out at that 489, and then dropping, just fading a little harder down towards the low of 386. And so let's draw a little horizontal line to see what's going to happen next. So what I think is probably just going to break out if it breaks this little support zone and then fades back down, most likely going to just be boring all day and probably do a double top and then fade back down. And this is what it looks like. So that's why it was probably heavy hitter. Friday was a green day, and then today pushing it back up, and got in around this little green candle right here. So this low is 380, open up at 4, and the close at 416. And so and it topped out right around here, so right around there. So it's probably gonna go to like around 312 or so, around right around here. But other than that, I'll keep you guys updated how it does, and so I'll see you later. Okay, so back at 10:35 p.m. and so it did try to run back up, topped out right here at 458, and then that was a trend line I drew, price level I point, and it looks like that was resistance on the bottom. But let's create another support zone for the other bottom, so right around here, around 317,
and then let's say a middle one around, I would say about 358. If you would have caught this, if I would have played this again, probably get in around 319. Probably risking this candle right here, this low, which is 267, and topped out for around 26% of upside, and catching it around over here at around 352, selling at around about 17% of upside, about 55 of cents of upside. But from this high right here at 458, that's about almost a 31% drop from where it came from. So closed, I mean, you could have shortened this right here, or even from this top right here, shorting it down there. But more ideally would have been to catch this spike right here, play this right here, and this one right here. And it's below VWAP and just gradually downtrended throughout that whole afternoon. I think that's where it's headed. It looks pretty sloppy now, but I mean, I think that's where it's headed down. Probably fill up the bottom or even create more of a top. So that's pretty much it for this.